Clearing the cache in your web browser can be beneficial for several reasons. 1. Performance improvement. Over time, the cache accumulates a lot of temporary files and data from websites you visit. Clearing the cache can help improve the browser's speed and responsiveness by removing unnecessary data. 2. Privacy. Cached files can sometimes include sensitive information like cookies, which can be used to track your online activity. Clearing the cache can help protect your privacy by removing these traces. 3. Display issues. Sometimes, cached files can cause display problems on websites. Clearing the cache can resolve issues like missing images, broken layouts, or outdated content. 4. Security. Outdated cached data can potentially pose a security risk, as it might contain vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Clearing the cache ensures you have the latest, more secure versions of web pages. With that covered, let's have a look at how to clear the cache in Google Chrome. 1. Open Google Chrome. Launch your Google Chrome browser if it's not already open. 2. Access settings. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu. From the menu, hover over More Tools and then select Clear Browsing Data. 3. Choose Browsing Data. In the Clear Browsing Data window, you can choose what types of data to clear. To clear just the cache, make sure that Cached Images and Files option is selected. You can also choose a time range for which you want to clear the cache. 4. Clear Data. Once you've selected the desired options, click the Clear Data button. Chrome will begin clearing the cache, and you may see a progress indicator. 5. Confirmation. Once the cache is cleared, the window will close. After clearing the cache, you may need to refresh web pages to load the latest content. And you may need to log in again to websites that require authentication, as some stored login data may be removed during the process. If you found value in this video, we would appreciate it if you wouldn't mind giving a like, subscribe for more content just like this, and sharing it with your friends. Have an awesome day.